Hey everyone, in today's video we will see how to add a post on your YouTube channel. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now you would have seen posts from my channel if you are following me. I post this tidbits on YouTube journey regularly as some of the YouTube facts which viewers might be unaware while they're building their channel. So, how to go about this? There are two ways and very simple ones. One is go to your channel, you can see this create button, just click on it, and you can click on create post. When you do this, you get this option. You can add image like I do in my post. You can add a poll which is an image poll wherein you can add images as well and ask your subscribers to post on it, vote for it. You can just add a text poll. You can add a video from your channel or some other channel as well and draft a post around it, or you can simply add directly a video, right? Simply add a quiz as well, right? So in this way, this is primarily for keeping your viewers engaged on your channel. This appears in your YouTube home screen only. If you go to any YouTube, if you just open your YouTube app, and you would see posts rolling, especially on mobile, in between your videos. It might not be visible on the desktop version, but on the mobile version you can see posts appearing in between the videos, and that is where the viewers can engage even when you are not posting any videos on your channel, or maybe shorts as well. So very simple ones. Whatever is relevant for your channel, you can post it. I post this, and this is the first way. The second way is again similar. Just go to YouTube Studio, click similar button on top right, create, and click on create post. You get the same option for creating the post. I hope this is clear. This is a bit easy, but do keep on post to engage your community, your channel community, to keep the traction on your channel. I hope this is useful. If you have any comments regarding posts and you want me to cover those in future videos, do drop with your requests in the comment section of this video. If you like the channel, do like our channel and subscribe to our channel.